If you're experiencing issues with loan processing on Sunlight Financial, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause problems with loan processing. Restart your router if necessary. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can help resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted data stored in your browser. Go to your browser settings and find the option to clear browsing data. Step 3. Update your browser. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Verify your information. Double check all the information you enter in your loan application. Ensure that all fields are filled out correctly and that there are no typos or missing information that could delay processing. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to Sunlight Financial's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the problem you're facing and they can help you troubleshoot further. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any loan processing issues quickly. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.